Here we got the truck. And my mid. Here we got the truck. Here we got the truck. And my mid. Alright, so right now I just finished wetting the truck, right? Damn, look at that truck. Alright, so right here, check. Got it wet. Alright, so right here. Officially finished the 454. Yes, sir. Looking clean. No watermarks at all. As you can see, got it shiny. Just gotta pick up all the little particles on the floor. And yeah. I do gotta put the new headlights on. We put the bottom ones on. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video of me putting the top headlights on and the side parts, but right here, you see like this, I gotta put the 1500 badges on. And the other day, we did send the tailgate to go get painted, so we just bought the Chevrolet sticker again. The tubs right there, you know, the original everything, just the 454. This one's, I think, yeah, it's aftermarket because of the one said SS44. Rims, MTW billets, 5 lugged. It has traction bars under. And this, yeah, it has just the billets right here. Right here we got the, we went to Great Lakes Throwdown. They picked 75 trucks that were the nicest at the show. And this one and the baby dually was top 75. Right here we got at I don't know where that one is, but here Great Lakes Throwdown, Tacos y Trocas over there in Georgia. Shout out to them. We didn't go to that show, but they gave us a sticker because, you know. And over here we got the sound system. You know, it's not too crazy, just a kicker, like three kickers. And yeah, yeah, you know, not too crazy, just a regular 454. This Team Billet sticker, it needs a new one because this one's too small and they did it crooked, and I don't know if you can see, but they broke it. See that? It's like peeling off. Yeah, they broke it. Well, that's gonna wrap the video. I don't know if I'm gonna do something else, but yeah, for this clip, that's pretty much it. All right, YouTube, right here, we got the boy Lazaro right here polishing the 454 rims. As you can see, we got it on the excavator thing. And just look at that. Lazaro doing his magic. As always, no glaze. Is that what's up, bro?
Full glaze.
Full glaze, yes, sir. Not like that. But as you see, the rims looking brand new. Polished inside. And then later today, we might do the dually, depending on his time. And yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you the truck when it's done. What's your name and occupation?
My name's Lazaro. We're out here at Tire Stop Center. We're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys how to polish billet wheels. Just like these MTW wheels right here. What are these, 26s?
26s.
26s. So we're gonna be showing you guys how to polish. As you guys can see here, the watermarks are right here.
Right there.
Jay sucks at washing, so
It's just the rims, bro.
Joking.
The rims, bro.
All right, so he's got some good polish. I recommend Pro 40 or Pro 25. You're gonna want a pad, or you can use a microfiber towel, but I mostly like to use pads. So just, you know, don't be shy.
Get up all in there.
Jay, I think it's
Wait, what?
stuck. It's clogged in there and look like I need or some shit. All right, you know, just,
Oh, get up all in there.
just make sure you get the whole towel. You know, you don't need that much. You know.
Do a point.
So you're gonna go in and you're just gonna damp it up. And then you're just gonna go on a motion like this. Make sure you don't go like, I don't know, this direction. You gotta go like this.
Show a player how to do it.
Like this.
Me ando paseando por debajo de los árboles con ramas verdes que cubrían mis amores. Aquí está tu amante, chiquitita.
Calma, ahora está más ancho.
Hey, rate this truck 1 through 10. I give it about like a 9. Just needs to see a sticker, bro.
Salí de México a las 11 de la noche.
Alright, right here, we got this Ram pulled up. You wanted a quote on some new tires. We did this truck in the past. We put some needles, some grapplers. He got the SPO and the Tire Stop Center sticker right here. We got Lazaro pulling up. Yes, sir. That boy Lazaro. Shout out to him. All right, Tire Stop Center right here. SVT Lightning pulling out. We got the boy Lazaro right there. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap today's video. It was a little short, but yeah, we're already leaving, packing up, you know. 6:30 close out day. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, stay blessed. Hope just subscribe. I don't care about liking or yeah. Alright, peace.